Ona thegia ya mituki ya thirikari kuhurana na murimu wa mukingo, Kenya ndihotete gukinyaniria kioneki kia ngwataniro ya urumwe wa kimabũrũri gutigirira ati gukinyiria mwaka uyu gicunji kia 90 harĩ igana kia andu aria mari na murimu wa mukingo ni mamenyithitio ati ni arwaru, na gicunji kia 90 harĩ igana kia andu aria arwaru gutigirirwo ni maramukira urigiti, na gicunji kia 90 harĩ igana kia aria mararigitwo na kunyua dawa gutigirirwo ati matinahoto ni murimu uyu.
Thank you, Catherine.
No ona kuhanora uguo, riboti rirekereirio ni ruhonge rwa uthuthuria rwa Kenfia ironania ati Kenya ni tashukitie makinya mabata kugeria kuhurana na murimu uyu, na ba ya andu aria manyitagwo ni murimu uyu o mwaka igicoka na thi kuma andu 600 mwaka wa 2012 ginyagia andu 36 mwaka wa 2018. Akiaria hindi ya kuruguria riboti ino, mwandiki mutafariri ministry-ini ya ugima wa mwiri Rashid Aman augite gicunji kia 90 harĩ igana kia andu aria arwaru murimu wa mukingo guku bururi-ini ni mahotete kunyihia maruru maguo na njira ya kunyua dawa.
Today we celebrate that over 96% of people who know their HIV positive status are on life-saving treatment. To add to this, more than 90% of those on treatment have controlled the HIV virus, therefore posing very low risk of HIV transmission.
Andu matanyiheire milioni 1.3 aria mari gatagati-ini ka ukuru wa miaka 15 na 64 niyo mari na mukingo guku bururi-ini, gicunji kia 6.6 mari atumia ukiringithania na gicunji kia 3.1 harĩ igana kia arume.
Gender disparity in the burden of HIV is even greater than 3 times in between the ages of 20 to 34 years.
Ona kuhanora uguo, atumia ni mahotete kuhurana na murimu uyu ukiringithania na athuri, kuna kaingi atumia ni metikagira guthimwo riria mohanda.
Preventing new infections in pregnant and breastfeeding women, ensuring all women who get infected during pregnancy and breastfeeding are rapidly diagnosed and put on treatment, and ensuring all women who are pregnant continue their treatment throughout their pregnancy, breastfeeding and beyond are key priorities for bringing the rate of mother-to-child transmission of HIV down.
Kaunti iria igomeirwo muno ni hamwe na Homa Bay, Githumo, Siaya, Migori na Busia. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Ngina wa Wadura.
Thank you.